What is up, guys? It is your boy Crypto J here, and today what I wanted to do is basically uh, show you guys what is Bitcoin, give you guys a basic understanding of what it is. Hopefully, it will help you out. I know when I started not too long ago, since this thing basically just took off out of nowhere, I had no idea what it was. I had no idea what its background was, how it was used. It's just kind of a vague term that I heard here and there, and anyways, so hopefully I can help you guys out with basic understanding of it and just give you guys something to look forward to on this channel as well. I will be uploading my next video will be how I'm taking the Bitcoin and basically earning money off of it. So as of now, I am making just off of one platform. I'm invested right now in 3 different platforms when it comes to Bitcoin, but um, I am invested just off of one. I have, anywhere profits from, let's say, $500 to $1,500 a day. Um, so I will go more into detail about how I'm doing that in the next video, but this video just gonna talk about Bitcoin. So here, looking up Bitcoin on Google, these are all the news about it. There's a lot of different things that come out daily, but basically what you can think of Bitcoin, it is a cryptocurrency. So just like there's the dollar in real life, just like there's the peso, just like there's the euro, there's different currencies. This is a cryptocurrency. What that means is it is handled through computers instead of, the government printing out dollars, the treasury and whatnot. The people that are getting these bitcoins are actually computers. They're the ones that are mining them, and that's also, one way that you can earn money off of Bitcoin is mining them yourself through your computer. So Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency right now. I think there's a list of places that are accepting Bitcoin, such as I heard there was a Lamborghini dealership, McLaren. I know there's some real estate that you could also buy with with Bitcoin. But just like there is Bitcoin, one thing to understand is that there's several other different coins. This one was just the first one made, but there's Litecoin. There's, the list goes on. And right now, Litecoin is another coin that people are trying to look into as well. But basically, what you want to do if you want to start to invest in Bitcoin is open up a Coinbase account. Now, it's fairly simple to make, but through here, you can buy and sell. You have your different accounts. You can have your bank account link to this, and right here it'll show you 17,730 is the current price. It is December 12th 2017, so this is the current price for a Bitcoin today. As you can tell, the number the number goes up and down whenever it wants to, but since the last month this number has gone up $11,862.05. That means it has a 202 increase since last month. So the way this thing has been taking off is truly ridiculous. Now, the Bitcoin owner goes by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Hope I'm saying that right, but that's the alias he uses. No one really knows who he is. As you can tell right here, it says the identity of Nakamoto remains unknown. So no one really knows who he is. Uh, we don't really know much about the owner or anything when it comes to that. There's another crazy headline here where if you were to have invested $100 of Bitcoin in 2010, each one of those would now be worth 17,730, which means you would be sitting on roughly $75 million. Let's just think about that a little bit, right? That's crazy. 2010 doesn't seem that long ago to me. So, on Sunday, I it's now Tuesday, but on Sunday I purchased a couple Bitcoins. It was something small. It was just about $1,000 worth of Bitcoins. I got them for around 13,000. That's when the value was around 13,000, and as you can tell, it's now Tuesday, and this is at 17,750. I did wake up though, and it was around 18,000. So it's a big jump right there. So if you're looking at this price and you're saying, man, it's high, it might be too late to buy, absolutely not. So it's projected that in 2018 it can go up anywhere to 100K. No one really knows. There's a bunch of different theories behind it, but at the end of the day, like I said, no one really knows, and there's no way to tell what will happen. But if you think it's high right now, in say 2 months when it's, I don't know, let's say 20,000, which seems low, but I think it'll be definitely more of an increase than that. But let's just say, to play it safe, 20,000 is what the Bitcoin price goes up to. Now you've made a couple thousand in, depending to how much you invested, of course, but you'll make some profit off of that. Now, what this might seem expensive right now, but the price, like I said, will go up. Um, Using me for an example, bought it at 13,000, now it's 17,793. So I feel like it's never too late to buy Bitcoin, but um, to each his own. Do one thing I will advise you guys is it's easy to get lost in all this, but invest responsibly. I've read headlines of people that are, investing their mortgages. They're, selling everything they own to try to get some Bitcoin. Um, but honestly, only invest what you feel comfortable with losing. If you do it right, the possibility of losing it isn't likely. However, you never know. Whenever you invest your money into, I own businesses in my life, so whenever you invest money into businesses, you never really know if that business is going to end up, being successful or not. It's all up to you. Same thing with this. You invest money that you are going to try to double, triple, quadruple, um, but again, with the right way, and do invest responsibly. Never invest money that you can't afford to lose. So invest something that you have no problem losing. Whether that's $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, everybody's number is different. So, like I said, this was kind of just a basic understanding what Bitcoin is. Big things I think are going to come through Bitcoin right now, and let's stay tuned. Like I said, my next video, please subscribe, and my next video will definitely be on how I am making um, anywhere from $500 to $1,500 a day just off of one platform using Bitcoin. So please subscribe, like I said, and that video will be out soon.